Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Markets are higher overnight. Beans up 11 to 12 cents. Corn and wheat up 4 to 5 cents. I think, at least in the beans and corn, there's a little bit of concern that some cold, freezing temperatures in the state of North Dakota may have cut their season short, and that we may have lost some production, especially in the corn. So the market's putting back a little bit of weather premium that it's taken out for most of this summer. All in all, though, a lot of people do not believe that we're going to go much higher, because outside of that state, the crop is much bigger, especially the soybean crop, and that when the USDA sits down October 10th and puts together their new supply and demand data, they're going to raise the carryouts. It'll be an interesting report because the USDA has got to figure out if acres are less, how big the yield is, and how to adjust the demand. But most people think that we will have higher carryouts, and that we'll find some resistance at the 940 area in November beans, maybe 345, 350 in December wheat, and $5 in 345 to 350 in December corn, and $5 in December wheat. Outside markets, the dollar's lower, most commodities are higher. It's kind of interesting to look at the coffee market. It's sharply higher, and from a weather standpoint, we're seeing just too much dryness in northern Brazil, and that might be catching a bid there. Globally, a little dry in Australia, as we mentioned, dry in North Brazil, and maybe too wet in South Brazil and Argentina. U.S. weather looks like for the next 2 weeks we're going to be cold and wet over most of the Midwest, so that might have some support to the market. Still think the trend might be lower in the beans. Corn and wheat might be a sideways trend. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.